didn't mention about that simple interest and that also.
I done that also, and it is.
Yes, percentage was there. Percentage was there. Percentage was there. Percentage was there. But it was mentioned. Ma'am said in the lecture.
But it didn't came. Question.
Percentage came.
Yes, came, but less question came.
Yeah, let's go. Only one main focus was on perimeter and area because that was a new chapter that we have done recently, right? That is the reason main focus was on those chapters.
So that tool is wasted.
So in this week you will be getting your portion and timetable also. So you can start
From
25th exam is starting. Yes,
Final.
5th of March. Yes. Offline exam. So you need to be ready. And math, science and English are offline. Yeah, English are offline.
Yes, English one.
Right? English 1 and English 2.
Both
Both
are offline.
Yes. So be prepared with all of those subjects. Not only those subjects, what if later when it comes that all the subjects are offline, you all are ready, no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Because of 2 class tests, our revision is already done. Already done. Okay. So let us start with the lecture. First thing is probability.
You start.
We have completed with graphs, no? As I said, we done 2 graphs.
Yes, 2 graph.
So you people will be solving the other sums and
Showing you.
you will be bringing Wednesday. No paper discussion. Not today. Later on we will discuss because I don't have the paper with me handy now. Okay. Now we will be starting with probability.
Yes.
Okay. So probability, what is to be written, I will tell you. Come to page number.
New lesson or it is inside that graph only?
Inside data only. It is inside the data only. Data only. Yes, probability is after data only. Ma'am, good morning. What you said in last 5 minutes, can you repeat that? Probability is what we will be starting now, Suha, as we had discussed the other day.
Chance and probability, no? Chance and probability.
Yes, that only. Page number 272 is your new book.
279 old book.
229 in the old book. Yes. Ma'am, I have done all the 6 graphs. Okay. Should I show it to you? Just a second. Wait. Name is probability. Ma'am, have you told what to write?
No.
No, in probability, ma'am has told many hardly. Page number 272 for new book.
79. 79.
I'm telling you what new book. Okay, so am I audible now?
Yes, audible. Yes, audible.
Audible. Fine. So what I'm going to do is, on probability 272, there is a definition given. Probability is the measure of a chance that a particular event will occur as a result of an experiment. Can you see that line?
Ma'am, this one probability is measure of time that a particular event will occur as a result of an experiment.
An experiment. The page number 272 in the new, 279 in the old. Then experiment. Experiment is seen. Then random experiment. Outcome. Event. I mean outcome we have to write both experiment, random experiment, outcome, event. Outcome we will write that 1 number and 2 number. Both the points should be written. It is the result of single trial of an experiment, for example.
Cause of point, that one.
Okay. Point and event. An impossible
Both events, impossible and certain.
Yes, both events.
Experiment.
Can you say?
So we have to write random experiment.
First is probability is the measure of the chance that a particular event will occur as a result of an experiment. Then you will be writing the next part, that is experiment, random experiment, outcome, event. All of these points to be written. Just mark and keep now. We will not be writing it now. When I started writing. Okay, ma'am. And then the last will be the formula for probability. That P of A is equal to the number of outcomes in which event A can occur upon one possible outcome, which is on page number 273.
Notebook with
Got the formula? 280. I did not get.
ma'am, where is the formula?
I got probability in bracket A, then that is equal to
Ma'am, in notebook where it is?
in page number 273. 273 page numbering. Number in which event A can occur. That saying that the number of possible outcomes. Now come to page. This is the 18. Then can you repeat the last? That is the formula. Ma'am, actually your voice is breaking.
Formula.
Formula to be written. That is probability of A is equal to number of outcomes in which event A can occur upon the total number of possible outcomes.
God.
Yes, ma'am.
And that now the probability of event A is number of the ways event A can occur divided by total number of possible outcomes. That one?
Right. Same. What is meant by probability? Can you please understand? Whatever you have understood. Am I audible?
Ma'am, there are chances how things we have been guessing style. So, guessing.
And probability is how many times it will.
Yes.
Okay, probability.
Like prediction.
How many times?
Prediction.
Will it happen and
Ma'am, how many chances it will happen?
occur?
Yes.
Right.
The
Right.
prediction type.
So how many times it can happen will be based on the number of options that we have. Suppose I am putting like tossing a coin in the air.
Head tail.
Okay.
Head tail.
So we have two possibilities. Either it will be head,
Head or
it will be tail. Both cannot come together. Right? So we have two possibilities. That is head or tail. Now when you ask how many times head can come, only once.
One time.
How many times tail can come? Only once. Right?
Yes.
Yes. But when we throw a dice, there are so many different possibilities. It can be a, it can be a 4, it can be a 6, it can be a 5, right? So those many possibilities are there when we throw a dice. So here, when we are speaking about probability, it depends on which kind of event we are thinking about.
Ma'am,
Now,
can like solar eclipse, there are many type of solar eclipse, no eclipse. So this can be probability, no?
yes, but again, when we speak about solar eclipse, there are not many solar eclipses occurring during the year.
3, 4 are there.
Huh. So accordingly, our probabilities will also change. But here we don't speak about all of those things. We speak only about a dice, about a coin, or a card. Card that is, you know, na, that those playing cards that we have.
Yes.
So those cards. What are the probabilities of a king, of a queen, of a jack, and so on.
All are 4, 4.
So when
All
you
are
say
4,
about
4.
that, we have
4 probability.
4, 4. Right. 4, 4. Right. So see, when we speak about an event, there are few events which are impossible, and there are few events which are possible or is going to happen. So you can see in the event we have two options: impossible event and certain event. So impossible event is what? The sun will rise from west tomorrow. That is the first example given. Is that any time to happen?
East. East.
This kind of things will never happen. So it is an impossible event. On throwing a dice, 9 will be obtained. Again, this also is an impossible event because there are so many options. From that, we never know what option can come until and unless you don't know how to cheat. Correct? No? If you know how to cheat, yes, we will be having only one option coming all the time. Right? No?
Hmm.
How many of you do that cheating when you play games?
I sometimes.
Yes, Tanmay has raised his hand.
I
Atharva?
sometimes do.
Who else? Ma'am, I do sometimes when I
Ma'am, when my
Okay.
I have also done once or twice. I do in one game 3, 4
You have also done.
3, 4 time I do.
Okay, Swara has also done.
3,
So
4 time
everybody has done it
in a one game.
3, 4 times. That is too much,
Yeah.
huh? So in that case, our probability is always the same, no? We have only one or two probabilities because we know we are doing cheating and we know the answer will be the same. Right, no? So same way here also probability is nothing but the event occurring that many times. Okay. So anybody who's not clear with probability, very easy it is. Still, anybody who has not
Chances, no chances. It is
chances of that event occurring. As we spoke, no, tossing a coin in the head tail. So there are heads may come or tails may come.
Sun will rise from east. It's an impossibility, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, like there will be day or night, like that will become. There will be day or night.
Day or night, that will be keeping in mind this time, no? Right?
Yes.
So that is not again a day or night. Okay, Dhanashri was also 10 times. So that is what probability is
Cheating also will use.
We are not doing any probability, you know. For sure that this is what the answer will be. Correct? No? So that is a cheating, different way of cheating only. Okay. So what we will be doing is we will be solving question number 1. Question number 1. Okay. All will be solving in their own way, not giving out the answers. And once it is done, you will raise your hand. Again, not to say the answer. Duri, if you speak a single word, no, I will deduct 10 marks from your internal. So, nobody else will speak. Once you are done with question number 1, then we will be discussing the answers and then we will move to question number 2. These are all certain things which you can directly solve. Okay. So let me see how many are able to.
Ma'am, what did you do? Can you again tell, please?
Question number 1, exercise 18.5. solve it in your own way. We will be discussing, not to speak once it is done. Just raising your hand.
First, no? First question.
మరి పాపమ్మ అనుకున్నాం ఏమనుకున్నాం నమస్కారం గురుగారు సత్కవి మీ దండన అరే ఇదెందుకు తెచ్చినావు మమ్మీ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ బుక్ కొత్తది నేను తెచ్చినాను కదా लेक्चर हे लेक्चर झाल्याच्या नंतर तुझं सगळं डीजेच लावणार लेक्चरला भाडमध्ये जाणार ठीक आहे
Is it done? Completed, everybody? Only Atharva has
No,
raised his
either
hand. Not
teaching
to
or
mine also completed. Pranjal also has raised her hand.
मैंने पढ़ा
Fine. So 4 students have raised their 5.
Average first.
Wait. Odd, ma'am. Those are completed. Will raise their hand so that I come to writing. No? I raised second, ma'am. I'm already 7 questions. I'm doing. Ma'am, we should provide a 7 questions. How many more to complete? So easy, first question. Ma'am, I completed.
First question.
Easy. Ma'am, but in first question also there are 6 questions. But they are easy. So can we start discussing the first one? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So I'll call the names. Those are raise their hands. Shaurya, what is the first one, bacha? Wait. Shaurya? Shaurya left the class or what? Soham, first one. Yes, ma'am. First one I have done all of this. All of this. Which of the following is an experiment? Everything is an experiment only because we don't know what the outcome can be. Right? Yes. Okay. Which of the following is an outcome? Getting head on tossing a coin, throwing a pair of dice, choosing a vowel, none of this. Atharva, Dhuri.
Yes, A1. Getting a head on tossing a coin.
Okay, that is an outcome, right? Yes. Rest all are just throwing a pair of dice is just a activity which we are going to do, yes. And then it will be an outcome, right? Then choosing a vowel also. Which of the following are certain to happen? Um, Pranjal? Yes, ma'am. The answer is C. You are older today than yesterday.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Because remaining all, we don't know when it will be going to happen. Fourth one.
Ma'am, but we will get to know when it will happen. There are seconds.
That red, then yellow, and then green. Flag that we are going to see is going to be green. How do we know that?
Ma'am, seconds will be given.
Then green, na? We from one street to another, and on that street, which color light is going to be flashed, we don't know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fourth one, Maria, Jani Maria. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to tell the question or answer. Both. Yes. Read the question and then tell the answer. Okay. Which of the following experiments does not have equally likely outcomes? Option D, none of this. Okay. Which of the following experiments does not have equally likely outcomes? That means tossing a coin. We don't know what is going to be the answer for that. Getting an even number, that also we don't know. Choosing a number at random, we don't have any idea whether it will be from 1 to 9, which one it will be. Right? So accordingly, okay, fifth one, a number from 1 to 10 is chosen at random. What is the probability of choosing an even number?
అయిపోయింది value.
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు నీకు దాంతో నీకు ఎందుకు నీకు
1 upon 5. How did you get that? Ma'am, because from 10 numbers, there are 5 even numbers. No? Okay, because there are 5 even numbers. 6, 8, and 10. So we can choose any one. No.
1 upon no.
Ma'am, 1 upon 2.
50% will be there, no? So 1 upon 2.
Yeah, because 5 are, because it is 5 are even and 5 are odd.
Yes, 50%.
And it is half. 1 upon. Okay, so I'll explain how this works out. So from 1 to 10, 1 is an odd number, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Even numbers, right? So out of 10 numbers, we have 5 even numbers. So how are we going to write according to the formula? It will be 5 upon 10. Understood? So 5 upon 10 is, again if we reduce it, it becomes 1 upon 2.
Okay, ma'am, I took the 50% then.
50% nahi lena. You have to use this
ये
formula.
क्या है कौन जा रहा है ए बेवकूफ
You have to use this formula. That is the reason formula is given, no?
पढ़ा नहीं आपने?
देखो कॉल जाने से मतलब है ना अनलिमिटेड कॉल से नहीं पैक खत्म है अनलिमिटेड तू नेट इधर घर पे ही है तू नेट वीट काई के लिए चीता ఎందుకు
Okay, the next one.
बाहर जाएगा तो फिर नहीं चल सकते इसके लिए
अरे आज रहेगा 13 आवर्स कल खत्म हो जाएगा समझ में
Next
आया
one.
इधर पढ़ना तेरे को पढ़ने नहीं आता इधर
Samia. Yes, ma'am.
तो आगे भी पढ़ना पढ़ने लिखना आता नहीं तो कैसे फिर इतना उड़ता रहता है
Yes, ma'am. There are 26 alphabets and 5 are vowels. 5 vowels. Again, we are use the formula to understand how it works. Question number 2. State whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. Okay, just try solving this. Those who have not got the chance. I have done solving. Just giving you few minutes. Try solving. Those who have not got the chance, I will be asking those students now.
And we will not get chance.
No. How many students are there in the class? Around 52. 50 students. 50 students. So 50 students, from that everybody needs to get chance, no?
ఇప్పుడు ఆ డబ్బాలో ఇద్దరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు
I know. So those who have not got a chance can wait. Rest all can keep their hands down. But again, you need to solve. A minute is given to you for completing the same.
शक्करवारी पाटा.
आई एम सॉरी, सॉस बच नहीं सका.
Ace means what? Getting an
सॉस
ace.
नहीं लिया.
Getting an ace from a pack of
మీద
52 cards.
డబ్బాలు
What do you
కింద
call it?
లేదు
Patta?
కదా.
కిందనే పెట్టి
No,
ఉంటుంది
what?
కదా.
I don't know what to call it in English.
सिर्फ वो जो है वो वाला ऊपर का बाकी तो बिस्किट
Tikka.
Namana namana susina de chana la pilakira bisakure
కళావతి. సాంగ్ పేరు కళావతి. చల్లదనే
शक्करवारी पाटा.
Subject
नाम
9
है
students are not
शक्करवारी पाटा.
submitted. Akshara, Garima, Lavanya, Ridhima,
ये अपना कानून भी
Sachit,
है, बस.
Soumya, Tanishka, Tanvi, Vedant. Students, if they are there in the class, please do tell them. Or else just inform the students. I will just read out the names again. Akshara, Garima, Lavanya, Ridhima, Sachit, Soumya,
Raise
Tanishka.
hand set.
Sachit is not in the school.
When my Lavanya and Tanvi are there.
Okay, Sachit has left. No, yes, right. Tanishka,
Uncle,
Tanvi, and Vedant basically. Not submitted.
Lavanya and Tanvi are
తాగండి
there.
తాగండి తాగండి. ఏం కాదు, ఏం కాదు, ఎవరిది ఏం కాదు. ఏమంటుంది తాగే.
Subjective is done. I can't see it in the classroom. Just resubmit it, no, bacha?
खाओ
Okay,
खाओ.
ma'am.
गोरा है तड़का.
ఒక కడరా అని
So
చెప్తావు
second
కదా,
question is done.
ఇస్తాను.
गोरा है तड़का.
Turn in. Turn in.
Yes. After submitting, you get to turn in, right? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I have turned in also.
ఎక్కడ నీ
Do it
కాలీఫ్లవర్
again. Maybe
భాజీ?
it did not work out properly, okay? The other students will inform the remaining ones, so that everybody submits on
అదే
time.
నిన్నే
क्या किधर कॉलीफ्लावर यही बना है.
Okay, question number 2.
కాలీఫ్లవర్ తీస్తేవా?
So we start with Aryan Mangare.
మళ్ళీ పెట్టేసి మళ్ళీ పెట్టేసి
అజ్జల్
Number 2. A1. The sun will not set today. It is impossible. Then
అది ఇయ్యట్లేదు, నువ్వు ఇచ్చిపోలేవు.
B1.
సాస్ తీసేయండి దాన్ని తీసి
సాల్వ్
Not
కదా.
there. Daksh is not there in the class, or he is not able to unmute himself. Give me his.
Which Daksh K? Daksh K or who?
Daksh K. Daksh K.
There he is there.
Okay. Mihir.
Getting there up on a no. Getting 7 on throwing a dice. Impossible.
Impossible. Why is it impossible?
But dice are 6 only. There are only 6.
And there are 6.
Ma'am, but we do the pair. It can get no by pair.
Or dice. They are not specified there. A dice is what? Not dice. This one is right here. The next is Yuvraj is there in the class, right? Getting heads up on tossing a coin. Yuvraj. What, ma'am? Getting heads up on tossing a coin. Is it going to happen? Certain? Not happen? What is it? Can happen but not certain. What is the answer? Ma'am,
तू माझ्यासाठी ठेवली
can you say one more time?
ठेवली का?
What is it?
नाही.
Can't hear you. The third one, getting heads up on tossing a coin. Is it going to happen? Not going to happen? Pranjal? Yes, ma'am. It can happen. It can happen. then only it will be complete. B1, there will be 40 days in the month of January in the year 2040. Gandhi, impossible.
Wow. We can't believe it.
What if the people change the remove 10 days from other months and keep it in January? Aryan, we can do that. We will
We
surely
can't
do.
predict, no, but we can predict what
We
will
would
happen.
meet and myself and Aryan we will be doing this in the year 2040, right now Aryan? Okay.
But why you have to do?
Just for fun. For getting that for fun. Okay. Getting a yellow marble from a jar having red and yellow marbles. E1. Nihar?
Yeah, ma'am, it is, ma'am, it is means it can happen also and it can't happen. It is certain.
It can happen, but not certain, right?
Yeah.
Okay. F1. Getting an ace from a pack of 52 cards. Swara?
But not certain.
Okay. Correct. Now third one. It's still 40, no?
Yes.
The third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Those who can. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Those who can will try. This can be done in the textbook with pencil.
Now,
This can be done in the textbook. No, not now. This can be done in the textbook with pencil. Okay. And next lecture, bring your geometry box also when you come to school. We will be starting with constructions. But only after discussing the probability remaining what are the questions there. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh we will be discussing. Then we will be going to construction. So whatever
my craft book.
yes, Soham, you can.
Okay.
Which lessons are there for final exam? Which lesson? Final exam, no? You will be coming to school. Linear equations, but linear equations, probability, data handling, constructions. Okay, very nice. Done and very neat. Only three. Four chapters.
Ma'am, probability is a chapter, but it is in data handling, no? So,
Data handling, then constructions. Constructions, data handling. You have perimeter and area and this one also. Linear equations.
ma'am, lecture is sir, bye. Lecture is sir, no, bye.
Prayer.
Prayer.
Sorry. This is first section.
Bye.
I'm starting. Yes, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Hope you and your families are safe and in good health.
Take care, child. पिल्ले अथर्व कुलकर्णी आयुष देवांशी धैर्य गुराड चलो लावण्या मानवी मी the class pass. Bye, ma'am. Take care. Shamika, Sharwari, Shaurya, Shravani, Shravani, Shreyas, Renika,
నువ్వే
Tanmay, me, Vamshit, you pass, Tara.
నాకేం తెలుసు గాడ పసుపు కింద ఉందని
एक